I'm Steven from LOJ Conversions. This is Optima Ultimate Street Car at Pittsburgh International Race Complex, and I hope you enjoy this video of some fun racing we're doing this weekend.
I'm Blaine with LOJ Conversions. This is my 2006 Frontier.
My first run of the afternoon session, and was already my fastest run of the day. So we had 6 runs this morning. The track was a bit wet, so it's dried out some. It's still really cold. It is misting a little. The conditions aren't perfect, but for my first run of 7 this afternoon, being my fastest already, we can only get better from here.
Hi, I'm Mike McCarthy, and this is my 2011 Nissan Xterra. We call it Crazy X.
not sure if I had more fun coaching the 3 trucks that were here and helping out, or driving my own car. I had a blast doing both, that's for sure. The M, it surprised me. That car is way more fun to drive than I expected it to be, and way more capable than I expected it to be. I think I wrung 90 to 95% out of what it's got. I think if you gave me 10 more runs, I could have shaved another half a second, maybe, but you know, I had a blast. It was so much better this afternoon in the dry than the wet, for sure. Still cold, so it's cold surface, but like, had a great time. And Mike and Blaine, like, doing ride-alongs, coaching, giving him feedback. Like, Mike shaved 10 seconds off of his time from his fastest time this morning to this afternoon. Actually, no, that was 10 seconds from his first lap this afternoon to his last lap this afternoon. 10 seconds just from like little feedback, ride along, brake a little later, turn in a little sooner, don't brake, you can carry the speed, like that kind of feedback, and he picks up on it and he does it. It was really cool. Blaine made huge improvements too. He basically drove the truck to the limit of what those tires have, and you know, his truck's a little different than the other two. It's still on a live axle and leaf spring, so like, for him to be up there competing for, you know, second, third place range with leaf springs and a live axle, I can't wait until we do a little bit more fun stuff to his truck, and maybe that 3-link happens sooner than we think. I don't know, but yeah, we're all having a great time, and you know, Rick's a little disappointed with the second place finish. It's racing. You can't win everything. Yeah, and like, that guy, he knows this track and he's got skills on a road course. I'm excited to see. His truck works better on the road course than it does in an autocross. We've always struggled, so I'm excited to see, you know, what he's got in store tomorrow, and we'll see what happens. That's a wrap for Optima's event here at Pittsburgh International Race Complex. It's the first event for the 2025 season that I've been at. I've been running Optima for, I guess this is our 4th year now. And I just want to say, like, a huge shout out and thank you to Optima for putting on this series, because it is really a great opportunity for anybody that's a novice driver to get into motorsports. They do so many different things between the autocross and the stop start challenge and the road course time. Just everything they do really, it focuses on driver enjoyment, car control. You can learn a lot, and it's super inexpensive too to get into one of these events. So like, to have that opportunity to get track time, I just want to give a big shout out to Optima and all the other series sponsors that support this series. We really appreciate them. We had a great weekend overall. I mean, it was absolutely a blast getting to come out to this track and hang out with all my friends and go racing together. LOJ having 5 cars here was really it's crazy to think that like something that I started so many years ago with such humble beginnings has morphed into what it has, you know, and having not just customers that I built cars for, but friends that I made through all this. It's really awesome, the community that's built, and getting to sit here and watch 3 Nissan trucks out on track right now. I mean, I don't think anybody who designed a Nissan pickup over in Japan ever thought that any of these trucks would be running around a racetrack in America, but it's really cool. I mean, they're all having a great time. They're all learning lots. We're figuring stuff out, sorting out these trucks, and just having a blast together in motorsports, which is really what grassroots racing is all about. It's about the relationships you make, the time you have with your friends, and it's just about having fun. So thanks so much for tuning into this video. I really appreciate it. I hope you subscribe so you can get more LOJ Conversions content in the future. We'll have more videos coming at you soon.
On the autocross, how did it go?
It was a blast. I mean, honestly, fighting the truck, learning its limits. Definitely need some stickier tires on it, because I heard them screeching every single turn.
This morning session was a little tough with the wet track. Had traction issues like most people, but was able
everybody covered by 3 seconds in the wet, and halfway through the afternoon session I had it covered and just couldn't pull it back together.
Autocross in a truck is always kind of a little bit of a challenge. You got a long wheelbase, you're bigger than most of the other cars, you're never gonna catch the Camaros, stuff like that.
I came out this weekend to have fun, and I'm having a blast. It is so much fun to drive. Like, it's so playful. Like, the back end comes out a little, but it's totally controllable. It's honestly better than anything I could have asked for out of the car this weekend. Am I gonna win? No, I'm not. And I'm not here to win this weekend. I'm here to support my guys in their trucks, but being able to come out and have some fun in this car too it's just really icing on the cake this weekend. It's been great.